drips like crimson rain. Truth is fire beneath the vein. Mirrors shiver, clocks collapse. Time is smoking molten reps. In the soul furnace, burn it fast. Strip the future, scorch the past. Every shadow forged in light turns to music in the night. Ashes dance with barefoot feet. Embers hum where echoes meet. Tongues of copper singing rhyme. Furnace bells devour time. Ghosts of play and fires disguise. Truth is heat with many eyes. In the soul furnace, I'm remade. Iron prayers in sparks cascade. Illusions fall, the fire knows. Essence glows where freedom grows. Ash to ember, ember to flame. Speak the fire, speak the name. Molten riddle, molten song. In the furnace all belong. Silver tongues of lightning play, turning night to burning clay. Every mask is set aflame, none return with face the same. Furnace hums a holy tune, essence forged beneath the moon. Soul furnace,